I've been mentioning all morning, if you can wait to head out, please do so. It might be your best option.
Yeah, but we are live across the state to keep track of conditions, to show you what it's like out there. Audrey Russo is live in Owatonna with blizzard conditions. We're going to talk to her in just a minute. You can barely see her out there. But first, let's check in with Michelle Beck in Mobile 11 driving around St. Paul. Michelle, how's it looking out there?
Well, Jason, Alicia, just in the last minute or so, we got on 94 heading west after circling around downtown St. Paul. And here is a look at what we are seeing. We're driving about 45 miles per hour on I-94. You can see a lot of these brake lights popping up just in the distance here. Once again, very hard to make out where the lanes stop and end when it goes side to side right here. And I'll tell you, multiple times there were some close calls. There was one notable incident when we were on 394 in the last hour. At one point, we came to a full stop because there was a lane on the outermost side that was unplowed. And so we came to that stop and had to navigate ourselves out of that. And that's what we've been noticing. It is really slippery overall. You can feel that especially when you move from left to right, switching lanes, and over on the side streets as well. Like I mentioned, we were in downtown St. Paul not too long ago, and we were feeling that all over. And also, we feel those spins when we are making turns, right, out on those side streets. We're also recognizing a lot of the wind, right? We have to hold on. I'm noticing Jack right now. He has both hands on the steering wheel, just as all of us should, right? Just because the wind especially is really pulling our cars left and right. Not too bad at this moment, but there was a point about in the last hour where Jack pointed that out to me. And far off in the distance, we see a little bit of traffic building up right here as we're getting closer to downtown Minneapolis. A lot of cars pulling up right here. Once again, those tail lights, those brake lights popping up right here. Jason, Alicia, it has not been an easy commute for us all morning long, but we'll give you another look before our show ends. Back to you.